In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a watch list in Yahoo Finance. Begin by signing in to Yahoo Finance. Go to the Yahoo Finance website and make sure you are logged into your Yahoo account. If you're already signed in, you'll see your profile icon. If not, use the sign in option at the top of the page. This allows your watch list to be saved to your account and kept in sync across devices. Once you're signed in, click on My Portfolio from the menu near the top of the page. This section serves as the main area for watch lists and portfolios. If this is your first time visiting the page, it may appear empty, and that's completely normal. After entering My Portfolio, look for the option labeled Start Creating or Create a List. Depending on the version you see, the wording may be slightly different, but the option will allow you to create a new watch list. If you already have existing lists, you may see a plus icon that lets you create another one. Select the Create option to continue. When the setup options appear, choose Create Manually. This starts the watch list from scratch, so you can select exactly which symbols you want to include. Once selected, continue to the next screen. You will now be asked to enter a name for the watch list. Type a name that makes it easy to recognize later. After naming the list, begin adding ticker symbols. If you already know the ticker, type it directly. You can also search using the company name or fund name. As suggestions appear, select the correct listing. If there are multiple listings available, make sure you choose the one you want before adding it to the watch list. Continue adding symbols one at a time until you have included everything you want to track. Take a moment to review the watch list name and the symbols you have added. Make sure everything is accurate before continuing. Once you're satisfied with the information, save the watch list. After saving, your new watch list will appear inside My Portfolio. From there, it will begin displaying live prices, daily changes, and other information for the symbols you added. You can return to the watch list at any time to add more symbols, remove existing ones, rename the list, or make any other adjustments you need. That's all there is to it. Sign in to Yahoo Finance, open My Portfolio, create a new list manually, give it a name, add your ticker symbols, and save it. Your Yahoo Finance watch list will then be ready to use whenever you need it. Thank you for watching.